Hi, this is Romi Verdera broadcasting from my home in sunny Florida. I would like to invite you this August 10th for Enagic's 15th year anniversary celebration in the Philippines at the Shangri-La Fort in Manila. Some 20 years ago, I watched Mr. Ohshiro's presentation through the invitation of JB Pacifico, and I brought my friend Cynthia. We joined Mr. and Mrs. Ohshiro, and it has changed our lives, the lives of our friends and relatives, the lives of countless people from around the world. Make sure you register soon because seats are limited for this incredible opportunity. You don't want to miss this celebration. I'll see you there.